video, I'm gonna be doing 2 science experiments. My first experiment is going to be dancing spaghetti. And my second experiment is gonna be an exploding volcano. So let's get started. Dancing spaghetti. I was looking for a new experiment to do, and I found this thing called dancing spaghetti. I thought that name was very funny. I decided to check it out. When I saw how it worked, it was like so cool. The spaghetti just danced up like without anything, just air bubbles coming out. It was just so cool. Let's get started! Dance with spaghetti! Okay. First you need 1 cup of water. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix it until all the baking soda is dissolved in the water. A little bit more. It's not fully dissolved yet. Yeah. And then you need to add food coloring. I'm gonna be using sky blue. It's optional to use food coloring. You don't need to if you don't want to. 1 drop is enough. And then stir it up. Time to add the spaghetti. I broke my spaghetti into smaller pieces so the spaghetti can rise up in the air more quickly. Okay, let's add it. Wow. It just sinks to the bottom right now, but when you add the vinegar, it's gonna like float up to the top. Now, I'm gonna add the vinegar slowly. If you add it too fast, it might like explode. Add it little by little, and then the spaghetti will like rise up in the air. Can you see it? It's like dancing up. What happens is that when you mix the vinegar and baking soda, it causes a reaction that creates carbon dioxide. So that also causes a little bit of air bubbles. The air bubbles are trying to all go up to the top so fast. Some cling to the spaghetti, which causes the spaghetti to rise with the carbon dioxide. If you look closely, there might be a tiny air bubble sticking to the spaghetti. And when the spaghetti has collected a lot of carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide like pulls the spaghetti up to the top. And then when a lot of carbon dioxide has reached the air, the spaghetti goes back down and collects more carbon dioxide. I hope you like my experiment. The next experiment I'm going to show you is an exploding volcano. I used a small container, some baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, food coloring, it's optional to use it, a spoon, and funnel. Let's start the experiment. I have this type of aquarium decoration that I'm going to be using for our experiment to make it look like a real volcano is erupting. So I'm going to be putting that on before I put the vinegar. I'm using a tray so the eruption doesn't get a stain on the table. So let's start the experiment! First you have to add baking soda. I'm going to be using a funnel so it doesn't go on the tray. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add a little bit more because that was in 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of detergent. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. I'm going to be adding the food coloring now. I'm going to add 2 drops per color. Red, 2 drops. I'm going to be doing mix of colors. 2 drops of yellow. Red to make a lava orange color. Now I'm going to put the volcano on the tube. Now carefully add the vinegar. Do this part slowly. So what happens is the vinegar and baking soda mixes together to make carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in water is just water bubbles. If you put some dish soap in it, the carbon dioxide get mixed with it, and then it creates foam that oozes out of the volcano like lava. It's like oozing out. I hope you liked my experiment, and I hope you tried it at home.